Clean mounting locations. Gap at the junction of the front windshield and roof glass. Backward to find the original roof triangle logo. Locate the original triangle logo on the back along the rear windshield gap forward. Align the alignment sticker triangle markers with the original triangle markers. Use a plastic warping board to warp the rubber at the joints. Tuck the metal support base into the plastic warping plate. Place the rubber base with orientation markings. Align the screws and put them on to secure it. After distinguishing the front crossbar, align the two side bases for installation. Take out the screw and turn it counterclockwise against the mark to fix it. Finally, it can be reinforced with a hexagonal wrench until fully fixed punctuation alignment. Then lock it with the key. The last word out of the plastic decorative plate to cover tightly. That completes the installation.